to a wall when you don't look at me. I wanna speak my mind and tell you how I feel, but it's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. Please just look at me.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. If you happen to just be browsing and you run into my hands, I'm Fergie. Welcome, please like and subscribe, and to all my FK gang, welcome back. I'm just gonna whip up some carrot punch, and I'm gonna use a can of carrot. Guys, when you're in isolation, you use what you got. So there's my can of carrot, and to this I'm gonna add a bottle of Guinness. So this is carrot Guinness stout, all right? So left back nothing in the bottle. And to this I'm adding my Jamaican Irish Mosh peanut drink. This I'm gonna add a small can of sweet condensed milk, a pinch of Himalayan salt. Not too much. Salt make everything taste better, right? Add some nutmeg, just a pinch, and a pinch of vanilla extract. And I have a little bit of Irish moss I'm gonna add to it. But first, let me blend this up. So guys, I'm putting in 2 pieces of ice into this. I'm gonna add my carrot punch. And this right here, guys, is my carrot and Guinness punch with a touch of some Irish moss. You know, the Irish moss tickle the thing. Just remember, right, just so nice. Enjoy, guys.